Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'll be doing a blonde eyebrow tutorial. First I'll be using primer, and I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer to prime my eyebrows. Next I'll be using the Juvia's Place setting powder to set in the primer. That way my eyebrows will last longer. I'm using a spoolie brush to brush my eyebrow hairs. I'll be using this purple shade of lipstick and this flat brush to outline and fill in my eyebrows. This lipstick I'm using is actually a mattified lipstick. That is, the lipstick dries down. So if you are trying this, you make sure you use a mattified lipstick. The reason why I'm not using an angled brush is because the lipstick doesn't have the same consistency like eyebrow gel. So using a flat brush like this is more preferable. Now look at how the eyebrow is looking like. I'm going to do the same thing with this other side of the brow. Outline the lower and upper part of the brow and then fill in the space in between the lower and upper part. So when you're doing this, take your time, be gentle, because sometimes outlining the eyebrows can be very difficult. I'll be using this purple shade of eyeshadow from the Beauty Glaze Color Studio eyeshadow palette. First, I'm using this because I want to intensify the purple, because it was not giving me the intensity I wanted. And also I'm using the eyeshadow to set in the lipstick. That way it will last longer. I'll be using these two shades of concealer from Elf Cosmetics to conceal the lower and upper part of my brows, and also this flat brush. This is always one of the most difficult part. So when I'm concealing my brows, I don't talk. You also want to make sure you don't talk when you're concealing your brows. When you're concealing the upper part, you want to make sure the concealer is closer to your skin tone. That way it will be easier for you to blend it into the skin. Now I'm using a puffing brush to blend in the concealer. You buff the concealer into the skin before it dries down, especially when you're using a mattified concealer. These e.l.f. concealers are the e.l.f. 16 Hours Camo Concealer, which dries down matte. Take your time to make sure you get the desired shape of eyebrow that you're looking for. Now I'm going to blend again. Blend the space in between the two brows in order to avoid having a unibrow. This is the outcome, guys. This is the completed look. Tell me what you think. If you are going for a dramatic look, you can do this kind of brows. That will be all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.